this is the third part of the PC build series, in which we shall be installing all of the drives. This includes the front panel card reader, the 5¼ inch bay DVD writer, just a cheap one, and also the Western Digital Caviar Black 1TB hard drive.
In its non-static pack.
Yes. Okay, so moving chairs. Okay, I reckon the first thing we're going to install is going to be not the hard drive, because you want to install that first. So I think the first thing we should install is the DVD drive, because it's simple.
The DVD drive.
DVD drive. Anyway, this is such a simple operation.
So one plug. That's on the back.
Yes.
However, this will go wrong because
SATA plug and a power. And that's
of course,
nice.
this is going to go wrong.
Nice and simple. Okay, what we do. This particular case is we have these quick release catches here. Just turn it to the open position, and as you can see, it moves upwards, and the pins on the other side drop out of the thing. Right, so all we do is quite simply take the drive, put it through the hole, which I'm not very good at doing, and just slide that in there until it's flush with the front, and then you just put this into the lock position, and this is now locked. Very good.
We'll do all the cables at the end.
Okay, hard drive LED. This is the last one, apparently.
Yes, it is. HDD LED.
Yes, because then we just got to do USB and HD audio. Which has to go across that, because it's the only two connectors left, and it says it in the book. Don't know why they call it an IDE LED.
That clock
is making very annoying noise. We know that. We know this. Okay, that's all in ish. Which one do you want to plug it into?
The red one. Cut the red one.
I haven't got a red one. I've only got a blue one. Okay, so we're going to put this in. Okay, this is probably the most artsy thing about this entire installation of this drive, is putting all the cables.
I'll take the other side.
There you go, the PCI brackets.
Yay.
Hang on.
Go on, gives a SATA.
Take that. Just take all of them. I don't think there's another way of doing it.
Ow.
Fuck. It's sharp like this.
That's a lot of bloody pains.
Stop.
Oh, there's a... Hang on, I've got them.
Okay. I do believe there's one on the other side. No, there isn't. That's good. Oh, that's not the right one. Alright, so we just turn the quick release on this one. It's different to the 5¼ inch bay ones. All we do is we just slide this in with that in the unlocked position, and we lift it off as well. And also, it's actually quite cunningly decided to get itself stuck on the front panel connection. That's not a problem. I see no reason why this isn't going in. It's just being,
there we go.
Just being resistant. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that.
Let's have a look here.
Oh my god.
That's perfect.
That's not going to happen, is it?
That's absolutely perfect, Josh.
Okay, so.
Jumble of cables in here now, though.
Now let's see if this lines up. Okay. Put that on like that and turn it. That's it. That's now locked, is it?
Should be.
It is locked. Good.
I know, could be. Right, so we need to find somewhere to stick this, and these, and that.
Eat. Right. Molex.
Where's it gone? There it is.
That should just go on like that. That works.
Fingers crossed, it doesn't matter which one.
Okay, L-shape.
Flip that around.
That way. Oh, fucking front panel cables. Hello.
Oh no, that's the different
yeah,
one.
I got it.
It's upside down. So it goes for the top.
So the top one's a different way around.
Yep.
Why would they do that?
To be dicks.
There we go.
There we go. That's in.
That's in. What else comes out of
That
this?
was easy.
Dum dum. Thanks for the help, Colin. You're really useful.
You're welcome.
Last step of this process, we're going to be
Western Digital,
yes,
1 terabyte hard drive.
The Western Digital 1 terabyte Caviar Black, which is the fastest mechanical hard drive they make. So this is the hard drive. Okay, can you close the box? Okay, just take the box away. That's actually a lot easier.
Oops.
Never mind. So yes, if we just take these off the side.
Do you want a hand there, Josh?
No, they're just like really flimsy and
And is that a technical term?
No, I said blur, not whir.
Is blur a technical term?
Yes.
This? That way. Oh, hello.
Okay, so this is the hard drive.
It's a drive that is hard.
That wasn't a shitty joke made on purpose too. I've just noticed there's a thing that you can
There
rip.
is,
There's
yes.
a thing that you can rip that open with.
Josh.
Never mind.
No matter.
Okay, so all we need to do is slide this open out. Ooh, God, this is a
Shiny, look at that.
it's very shiny and also incredibly weighty.
Is it?
Hang on. Okay, so that's the hard drive.
Go on, give it a shake, Josh.
That's the hard drive. Okay, so it's a 3.5-inch drive, and as you can see, it has the new SATA 6 gigabyte per second, whatever the hell it's called. Okay, now we're going to install it in the computer. I'm not sure if it's going to fit in there though with that fan, so I was planning to put it in this one, but unfortunately there's a stupid clip the other side as well, so you'll probably have to hold that. Can you not? Ooh, looks fancy.
Yeah.
Okay, what we'll do is just take that out altogether for now. Okay, obviously it goes this way around. Whether or not we can actually fit this in there, I don't know. Oh, this is going to be really awkward. You should have done this first.
Can you, does that work?
Not really, no. No, just leave it. We don't want to
break anything.
Yeah. In we go. Can you take that out? Because it won't actually fit in there with that.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. Okay, I just need to get that the other side of the tray thing. Oh, there we go. That's how that works. Ah, very good, it does fit. It's got two different bits. Right, all we need to do, take the quick release clip, put it into the unlocked position, insert it over the correct way would be better, and turn it. And now that drive is now locked.
Hooray! Hard drive in, and we just need to connect to all of the cables.
And now I need to do the one on the other side, which is going to be fun. Or we could just put it there and forget about it.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, so that's it. The hard drive is in.
We need to connect to the cables.
Front panel is in, and the disk drive is also, the DVD drive is also in.
So
now we need to use the SATA cables that were supplied with the motherboard, because they're the only ones we have. And I don't know where they're gone. I didn't realise you could accumulate so much crap by building a computer, but apparently you can.
Yeah.
Hopefully we're actually clearing up the stuff here.
Oh, crap, yeah.
Okay, so we have two SATA cables here. One will be for the DVD drive, one for the hard drive.
Hooray!
Yeah, SATA 6 gigabytes per second. Oh, you won't be able to focus on that, shouldn't bother. There we go, that sounded good.
Lovely, lovely.
And this... See, this one's not
Cable management's going to be a blooming nightmare.
See, this one's not angled unlike that one, so you don't know which way or the other is. It didn't click, but it looked like it did.
Okay, now we need to get them into the motherboard.
This is behind the...
There's a lot of cables there.
Oh my god.
Alright, so now we're going to get in our cables. That's going to be interesting. all of these things here need to be plugged into that and that and that.
Okay, first of all we have a packet of food here.
We should definitely eat that stuff.
I'll definitely eat that, make sure.
It's completely safe. This bit is very easy.
Don't say that.
This bit is
almost certainly go wrong now. Anyway, right, so, okay, well, first of all we're going to go for this. Flip the camera strap on the bloomin'. Okay. Oh, come on.
Shall I have a go? Is that not going in?
Not really, no. Take it out, try again.
Is it in the wrong way?
You can't put this in the wrong way, it's only got a clip on one side.
Okay, and goes the 8-pin at the back.
These work better.
We finally got the other one in, but it didn't really clip, so. Ta-da!
Ow. That's what we wanted to wear, isn't it?
Right, okay.